Hi, good morning, Drawing One online students. Welcome to online learning and your first day of official school. I don't know about you, but it was kind of crazy in my house trying to get everybody out and around and figuring out where everybody's supposed to be at home or at work. So I hope today goes really well for you. I wanted to take a minute and do a little video explaining what the lesson is for today, and then I'll post another thing tomorrow. I wanted to break it down into days so it's not super overwhelming at first. So I'll eventually push stuff out probably in a week time frame, but I just want to make sure everybody's on a schedule and has a good understanding of the online learning criteria. So a couple things I want to talk to you about, let me minimize my screen here, is that you guys are going to go to your Schoology page, online learning, and I will open this up at 8 o'clock. So this should be accessible at 8. And then right on here, I want you guys to watch this back to school video. It's more for parents, but it is some information about me and just general things that I think you guys can benefit from hearing, since I won't see you in class meetings like my other classes. I want you guys to navigate this Bitmoji classroom, this thing I'm going to be using as much as possible for information and class material. And you guys are going to be going to week 1. When you're at week 1, I have it down for Tuesday, so tomorrow a Wednesday folder will pop up. Again, I didn't want it to be super overwhelming and too much. I just am going to break it down into days until we get into a good routine. First step is a welcome information. This is exactly what you need to be doing today. Okay, so this is what your assignment is today. I wanted to put it all in one place so you could see it. Visit the Schoology page, watch the back to school presentation. Visit the digital classroom. Review the class syllabus, it's in the digital classroom. And then submit the syllabus agreement form. Complete the digital classroom scavenger hunt. And then you have a sketchbook assignment of about 10 minutes in length. That sketchbook assignment will then be posted in Schoology. So let's go ahead and go back previously here and into, I'm sorry, I'm not very good about navigating Schoology, so sometimes I take the wrong way. The Tuesday folder. Here's the syllabus agreement form, agreeing that you understand the syllabus and the criteria, the digital classroom scavenger hunt, and then your sketchbook assignment. Now this part I'm still learning, and I say that because what I would like you guys to do is you're gonna draw a chair in your environment. It could be a patio chair, a kitchen chair, whatever. I want you guys to draw a chair, and I want you to take a picture of the sketch or the drawing and the chair, so that I make sure that you guys are drawing from life, not from something you saw on the internet, making sure that you guys are the ones creating the artwork, and that I can then compare and say how accurate is that drawing, and kind of help me understand where I need to be guiding my instruction. So you can draw this with anything other than an electronic material. So you could draw this with a pen, a pencil. You could do color pencils. You can use anything like that that you want. You need to do the drawing on 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. We're going to be setting up our sketchbooks later this week. So right now I don't really want you working in your sketchbooks. I just haven't gotten to how to organize that material. But you can take that piece of paper, for example, just a 8.5 by 11, sketch on that, and then we can add that in your sketchbook later. So the part that I'm not quite sure on is I've put this in as a media album. What my goal is that you will be able to submit a picture of your sketch and your photo of your chair. Maybe by putting both on the same page, or by taking a picture of your sketch next to the chair. Might not be the best quality picture of the sketch, but if you can't manipulate them to sit side by side in like a Google Doc, then that would work for right now. We'll eventually problem solve and figure out the best way to turn things in. Actually, that's going to be later this week also. So for right now, that's just what I want you guys to do. Just explore, have fun sketching. I wanted you guys to get out there and just have something to sketch. If you happen to have like a park bench by you, you could do a park bench. You could do indoor or outdoor, any kind of chair that you have in your home. It could be a like a recliner chair, a rocking chair, just whatever you guys want to sketch. So these are the things that you're doing today. Kind of a light day, but I just wanted to get you guys some material. There's a lot of instructional material I have to cover at the very beginning, which is going to be things like the online agreement information, how to be an online learner. We'll get through that. I'm just going to break it down into a couple different days and cover, a sketch here and there along the way too, just to kind of get some art in with the serious information. So email me if you guys have any questions, and good luck today as you guys embark on your journey as online learners. Have a great day.